Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Now in this video today, I'm going to be decorating a table for two in buffalo check. So come on with me, guys. Now, a while back, I was doing tablescapes and anything extra outside of Tablescape Tuesdays, I was doing Tablescapes by Grace. And guess what? I'm starting that all over again. It's just a collection of all of my tablescapes that I do outside of Tablescape Tuesdays because I'm always doing them. So I decided to go ahead and add it here, and I'm very excited. So we are starting out right here with this buffalo check design, and we're doing it right here nice and cozy in front of the TV, or you can even play music. Just light up your candles, guys, and just enjoy your time together. I mostly do tablescapes for two. I will be starting after school to do tablescapes every now and then for four, and I'm really excited about that, guys. God knows I have enough dishes. Okay, so don't forget, it's called Tablescapes by Grace. Now, I started out here with this plain beige thrifted tablecloth, and then the runner was a gifted item. So the florals or the tulips that you see there and in that jar, that was all a DIY, and I can't even tell you how beautiful it looks. I don't think the camera's doing it any justice. Now we're gonna move on to those beautiful placemats. I bought them at Hobby Lobby. I am loving those. Then, believe it or not, those beautiful chargers that Hobby Lobby also carries, the Dollar Tree is carrying them also. They have like a little bit of bling in them. And I do have the ones from Hobby Lobby, but these were from Dollar Tree. All right, so I am using the black is the chargers from the Dollar Tree. That is what I'm starting with. Then, believe it or not, all of my dishware is thrifted. So the first two, the salad plate and the dinner plate, they have that beautiful vintage decor on them. It's also like a swirl of a iridescent. It's really pretty. And then I also thrifted these beautiful bunny dishes. I could not help but place those right on top. Okay, so we could use that, one for a salad plate, one for a bread plate, or whatever it is that you guys are having that day. Now the napkins, the cloth napkins in buffalo check, were gifted to me as well. Probably were gifted to me at the same time that the runner was gifted to me. And so I decided to go ahead and place those napkins along the top of the place setting as opposed to on the side. Then I have the flatware that came from Home Goods, and I am loving those. It's nice to interchange with different color. I'm going to go back and be getting some more. I got those from Home Goods, like I said. And then we'll be moving on over to the glassware. All right, so the glassware did come, the wine glasses came from the Dollar Tree. And then when I go and get the water glasses, those were thrifted items. So this is definitely a budget-friendly tablescape. And as I'm learning to do stuff is really why I'm collecting these tablescapes, because every time I learn something from someone, be it high-end or just plain casual, eat at home, I am loving it. And so I thought I would do this collection of my tablescapes and how I decorate. So what I'm learning here is, yes, there is a prim and proper way of decorating your table, but honestly speaking, nothing screams louder than you decorating your table how you enjoy it. And however it is, I mean, there is a nice like place setting and it does look beautiful, guys, but what do you do on an everyday, day-to-day basis? Are you setting your table every day? And are you setting it like that, like with all these things, prim and proper and all this stuff? I like to do more casual stuff, and I'm learning also my styles. So I am liking the buffalo check and I'm liking the Mackenzie Child. So there's certain areas and certain decor that I'm leaning more toward, and that's what I'm learning about myself. And like I said, it's all a learning process. It's not a contest with anybody else. And if your family is happy with how you're setting the table, and it's just an awesome thing. And I look at it as a little bit of artwork. So if I like the way my eye is, it's pleasing to the eye, guys, then I'm loving it. So I already set the candle, and then something told me to place these roses right on top of those plates, and they have the two bunnies. So here we are at the reveal. I hope that you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed decorating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you. Amen.